This is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to import PDF file in Photoshop, step by step. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open Photoshop and click on left corner, File, and click on Open. And search your PDF file. And select your PDF file and click on Open. And select your like it page and click on this. Press Command and click on this and this. Alright. And click on OK. And open 1, 2, 3, 4 page. Alright. And select this layer and drag yes. And click on OK. OK. Alright. And press Command T or Ctrl T and resize layer and drag. Alright, and click on enter and open next page and click on Command C or Ctrl C and open your project and click on Command V or Command Ctrl V and press enter. Alright, and resize, change size, drag and this and open next page, Command C, Ctrl C and Command V, Ctrl V, OK, change size, and alright, check first page, 2 page, and 3 page. Alright, and that's all.